What's up, homie? This is Leon. If you're still looking for a high-quality sign, just follow us. Today, let me show you why choosing us to realize your sign idea. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news. Let's go! With nearly 400 of employees, 15 years of experience of making signs, LCSIGN has served customers from 100 countries. We have also accumulated many successful cases and can meet the basic needs of most customers. 2,000 sets of signs will be produced monthly with CE, UL, ISO certificate provided. No need to worry about qualifications shipping through different logistic companies to maximize the delivery time. We also apply our rigorous quality to every part of our supply chain, conforming all components to meet a high standard and customers' needs. Make customers feel satisfied is our goal. We have a standard factory management system. Also, our equipment from cutting to edge folding, welding to grinding, surface spraying to module installation. Each sign has a standard production process. We focus on ensuring that every set of signs delivered to customers is perfect. About our customer service, we have a professional sales team. They all undergo systematic training and will provide the best service for every customer. During the production, they will communicate with factory about the situation and update it to you. If you have any problems after receiving goods, they will provide appropriate solutions no matter when. We pursue quality first and try our best to provide best sign and service for you. Don't hesitate to choose us. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do that for us right now. Hit that like button and comment below. See you next time.